Hi guys, how are you? We are back again and today we have Ipsy number 1 and Ipsy number 2. So we have both Ipsys and a couple of more boxes that I'm going to share with you. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button, the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video as well. So we're going to open the first one and I'm going to do 2 separate videos just in case you want to see one or the other. And I do get 2 of the boxes because I really am in love with Ipsy. So this is a $10 a month beauty subscription box, and mostly you get like big products, so actually full products. So sometimes it's a sample size, but it's actually big. We have different little baggies every month, and since I get 2 bags, both of them are either the same or they have like a color variation depending on the month. This month I think everybody got the same baggie. So this is January 2018 Ipsy, and here is the baggie. And I actually love it. The feeling of it feels like it's like not really plasticky, but like mushy. And it has this squishy sound to it. It actually sounds like, you guys know, like the sponge to wash the dishes. That's how it sounds. And there's nothing else in the baggie, and we throw it away. So this is very nice as well. It's yellow, like very vibrant colors. It reminds me of the gym, and so you can actually use it for the gym. It has the Ipsy logo, and it has this like little bee like nest, little circles, and a pink zipper. So the first thing that we see is I Will Conquer Ipsy January 2018. And I don't know if it says I will conquer blah 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 point, as in like you wanna conquer something, maybe you fill in the blank. And it says game face. Fact, you have got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goal is already between you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag has 5 personalized pics, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep your game face and ready for anything all month long. We even team up with Candice Huffin of They and One, an empowerly activewear line to impress that everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank. So yeah, it was a fill in the blank. And decide on the card post and the social, and hashtag it Ipsy or Ipsy Game Face. And then PS, looking for even more beauty fuel, head to Ipsy Shopper and then have 10 to 30% cash back for everything you buy. So right there is a little card, and we're gonna put it away. And let's see what the bag came with. So the first product is Ciate London Fierce Flicks. So it's this one. It has little like reflective silver letterings and stars. And this is actually, I think it's an eyeliner, and it looks full size. It's a 1.7 milliliters. So yeah, doesn't really say other than that, but it very much looks like an eyeliner. So let's put that on the side. Let's see. The next thing is a cute little box. Look at this cute little box. I just like to keep it. Look at the logo right there. And it says sneaky, made in China, not for sale. And it's in furless. What is this? There. So it comes in another little thing. Oh, it's a loose eyeshadow. Look at that. It has the cruelty-free and vegan sign, and it's furless. It's the name of it. And let's actually swatch this. Ooh, it's gonna be a mess when I open it. That's why I only open a little bit. And it's in the color shade of purple. Whoa. I can see already the little shimmers flying everywhere. Hopefully I don't make a mess out of it. Wish me luck, guys. Whew. I got a drop. Yes, literally a drop. Do you guys see that? And I'm going to put it all over my hand. Whoa, this color. I'm in love. I know in the camera it looks a little bit on the green side, but in real life it's like purpley, like golden and blue, and I love it. This is one of my favorite colors. It's actually blue, so it's amazing. And it has a lot. Look, the little thing gave all that shimmer, so I'm in love already. This is one of my favorite bags, guys. I mean, I know that you guys might get tired of me mentioning this, but it's a $10 bag, and you already have like 2 things that are almost full size. Even if this wasn't, I mean, how long can you use that for? And this is something for your eyes, which also seems like full size. So the next thing we have is Cookie Professional Kissable Liquid Lipstick, and it's 7 milliliters, and it looks like this. I really like the little, what is it, like an elephant? It has a little elephant symbol. And let's see this color. Has no smell, and it's on the pink side. It's matte. I already can tell that it dries fast. Yep, look at that. Dries really fast, and it actually matches my shirt today. I like it. So what do you guys think up to now? 3 products, and all of them seem full size. I like this. Look at this. This one is Lou by John Seal Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. Oh, I need it. I need it for my nerves. Is there an option instead of like for the face, for the nerves? Here you go, guys. And this is a decent sample size. It's 15 milliliters, and it has like that little applicator. I actually like the little bottle of it. I wish that it had more specifications, or like at least like the Ipsy would give you more details of each product right away instead of actually having to go to the application and looking them up. But I know that they want to save paper, so that's always good. We have the last little sample on this bag is the Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. Oh, nice. And many people don't like this, but I actually like them to travel because yeah, you might want to just take it away and, you know, and use it in one of those palettes. But this is nice, and you can use this for your face. You can do it as an eyeshadow. I love it. All of the things that I get on this bag, this one is very little, so but for $10 you're getting all this. What do you guys think? If you get the Ipsy, do you actually like it? What do you get? Do you get any variations of this? I know that there's a lot of products that you could have gotten, and I mean, I am very happy with all the ones that I got. What do you guys think about yours? And leave me the comments below, and I will see you guys later.